What's up, guys? Today we got the new Penn Battle 3 2021 version. Let's check it out. CNC machine made, so it's going to be durable and tough. It's got aluminum parts in it. I got the 4000 series, got my Power Pro, and then I also got my new St. Croix rod. I've always wanted a St. Croix, and I finally got the money to have one. So we're gonna rig this up and take it out on the kayak and get a review going. First catch on the St. Croix and the new Battle. Woo! First catch on the my brand new Penn Battle 3. See how long she is. It's a pretty nice fish. First catch on the Penn. 14, not bad. Calm down. Get your scales over me. 'em. I don't like touching them because their scales come off real easy. It's a nice fish. Catch number 2 off the new Penn Battle 3. Nice size grouper. Not bad, not bad. Oh, Penn Battle 3 from the new St. Croix Triumph. I gotta say, this reel is really nice. It's really smooth. The rod is really nice too. I can feel every little bite and nibble they take. So far, it's a really nice setup, and I love it. And I'm catching some decent fish on it too. So, very nice. Oh, and number 3. Oh, it was a sheep's head and it got off. No. No, I just lost the sheep's head. Oh. baby. Look at that. Look at that sheep's head. Holy shit. Ginormous. Penn Battle 3 coming through, boys. Yes. Beautiful sheep's head. Finally. Beast mode. Look at those teeth. Let's just see how big he is for funsies. $12. That's not bad. Sheep's head, yeah baby. This is how we do it. Getting it with the new Penn Battle 3 on the new St. Croix. Look at his teeth. It's hard to see. Look, yes, dude. Crazy teeth. It's a shark. It's got a shark. Holy shit. And I just caught a shark, guys. Holy shit. I just caught a shark. I don't know what to do. Never caught a shark. Holy shit. Alright, so first I'm going to take a picture. Measure him real quick. 26, 27, about 27 inch. 27 inch. Holy shit. Oh man. That's a beaut, guys. My first shark. Big fight. Heavy guy. I'm just gonna cut the line because I'm not getting anywhere near that. That's crazy. My first shark, guys. Woo! Hell yeah. That's so crazy. Oh yeah, he's got some wicked teeth. I'm not going anywhere near that. Alright, let's cut that line and get you back in the water. Alright, what's up, guys? So, as you can see from the footage, we didn't get to take it out on the kayak, but it produced more, we should say. This thing is just a beast, and it's so smooth. The action on it is so smooth. As you can see, we caught a grouper, a 14-inch ladyfish, and a 27-inch Bonnethead Shark on a 4000 series Penn Battle 3. So if I could pull in a 27-inch Bonnethead Shark on a 4000, it's 2 thumbs up. And like I said, the action's very smooth. My St. Croix rod, I can feel the lightest nibbles, bites. I love this rod. And with the rod, I went with a 7.6, and you can tell a huge difference. My other two are 7, and with the 7.6, you can definitely cast a lot farther. I can cast a lot farther, and I would definitely recommend the Penn Battle 3. Another thing they changed is, come in close, but their drag system, they just redesigned that. I think it's easier. It's something little that they improved on that I like, but overall, I mean, the thing's just a workhorse, and it's super smooth, tough, reliable, and as you can see from earlier footage, it works. So I definitely recommend it. Peace out.